The specific heat capacity is the amount of heat needed to raise 1 gram of a specific substance 1 degree Celsius. Water takes 4.18 joules to change 1 degree Celsius, so it is a high specific heat. Mercury takes 1.4 joules to change 1 degree Celsius, so it has a low specific heat. The equation for specific heat is C is equal to Q divided by M times delta T. C is specific heat. Q is heat measured in joules or calories. M is the mass measured in grams. And delta T is the change in temperature in Celsius. The temperature of a 95.4 gram piece of copper increases 25 degrees to 48 degrees when the copper absorbs 849 joules of heat. What is the specific heat of copper? We know that the mass is 95.4 grams, the change in temperature is 23 degrees Celsius, and the heat is 849 joules. So what we need to find is C, or specific heat. Next, we plug what we do know into the equation. Q turns into 849, M turns into 95.5, and delta T turns into 23 degrees Celsius. Then, our answer will be 0.387 joules over grams times Celsius. How much heat is needed to raise the temperature of 250 grams of mercury 52 degrees Celsius? We know the mass is 250 grams, the change in temperature is 52 degrees Celsius, and the specific heat of mercury is 0.14 joules. So, we need to find Q, or the heat added. Next, we plug it into the equation. C becomes 0.14, M becomes 250, and delta T becomes 52 degrees Celsius. Then, we have to isolate Q by dividing both sides by 250 times 52 degrees Celsius. We should get 0.14 over 250 times 52 degrees Celsius is equal to Q, and our answer is 0.18 kilojoules.